Look at these birds, crows, ravens acting really weird. What are they doing? Why are these ravens acting strange in a flock? This is outside my front door. Oh my God, what is going on? They normally roost on the Art Zone Park, but they're behaving very strangely. This is supernatural from Jehovah, definitely. Are they gone now? That's not normal. That's a sign from Jehovah that he's going to destroy Watchtower. Ravens are a harbinger of death, I think. I think that's what ravens symbolise. Anyway, they've gone now. Bye for now.